everybody, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the platform of CodeChef. Okay, so today we're gonna be solving the problem, simplest problem. The difficulty level for this problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisites required are your basic mathematics. So this is your educator Ansh and I hope you like my video. Let's proceed to the problem statement. Okay, now let us try and understand the problem statement. Hansel is good at finding x in maths. No matter how hard the question is, he never fails. He finds the answer without any difficulty. But as the questions keep on increasing or repeating with just minor change in variables, he no longer wants to solve them. Rather, he hires you to code a program to solve the problems. Can you help Counselor to solve the equations? Note that the equations are only quadratic equations, right? So basically what the problem is saying is that I'll be given the equation in the format of ax square plus bx plus c, where my abc, the constants, are given by the question, right? And I have to find the roots of this particular equations, or if no roots are existing for this equation, I have to print no roots. So this is what my problem statement is saying, right? Now how to find this particular, how to approach this particular problem? So in our high school mathematics, we simply understood the condition to check the roots. Basically for roots to be real, the condition should be nothing but a discriminant, which is the value of b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0, right? So let us calculate the value for this case. So in this case, my constants are 2, 3, 1. That means our equation is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and I have to find the root for this particular equation. So my discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac, which is nothing but 3 square 9 minus 4 into 2 into 1, which is 8, which is equals to 1 and which is greater than equal to 0. Hence, I know that there are real roots for this particular problem. Now, in order to find the roots, we can simply find it using the Heron's formula, which is nothing but it is minus b plus under root of d by 2a, and my other root is nothing but minus b minus under root of d by 2a, right? So this is nothing but minus b is nothing but 3. So minus 3 plus my root d is nothing but discriminant is 1. So root of 1 is 1 divided by 2a. So 2 into a is nothing but 4, and another case becomes minus 3 minus 1 by 4. So as you can see, here it is minus 1 by 2 and here it is minus 1. So the answer for this case is minus 0.5, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2, and the other root is minus 1, right? So this is what the problem is saying, that given in this question, I have to find the roots for this particular question, right? So now let us proceed to the coding section to see how we can code this particular problem. Yeah. Okay, now let us try and understand the code for the following problem. So here we include all the necessary header files. In my main function, I input my t-test cases and take the input according to the input format. For each of my test case, I initialize my variables a, b and c and take them input according to the input format, which serves as the equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then I calculate the value of d, which is nothing but the value of b square minus 4ac, right? If my d is greater than equal to 0, then as we discussed in the approach section, then we'll proceed. Otherwise, we can simply print that no roots of this particular equation, right? Then I calculate my root, which is nothing but minus b plus under root of d divided by 2a, and the second root, which is minus b minus under root of d divided by 2a. And after calculating these roots, we print the following roots. And this becomes the approach for solving this particular problem. Now let us run our code on the example test cases to see whether everything is working correctly or not. So as you can see, we got the exact answer according to the output format. Right, now let us submit our code on the actual test cases to see whether everything is working correctly or not. Okay, so as we can see, we got the correct answer for the following problem, and yes, this becomes a valid approach to solve this particular problem, right? So the main learning from this particular problem was that you can simply calculate this root using mathematical formula, and if that particular observation is clear, I don't think anywhere else in the implementation part the code you can make mistakes, right? Because the code is fairly obvious and just you have to use simple formulas. This is the working of this particular code, and there's the learning you get from watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.